Here's 3 simple ways that you can make 500 plus dollars a day cleaning leaves. Okay? Simple, fast, practical, and repeatable. Now, here's way number one. Price by the job, not the hour. Too many times, guys, we are shooting for the time, the time, the time. Forget time. Shoot for the job itself. Look at the property. By this time, you should know how long this is going to take you. So, shoot for $150 to $300 per yard, depending on the size, the leaf volume, because that's one thing that you need to pay attention to, and the disposal fee. So with 3 or 2 jobs and even 1 job, you can make 500 plus a day. Now, another way is sell the results, not the labor. Okay? People will pay more if they know what their lawn is going to look like at the end. So you should have on your social media before and after pictures of jobs that you already done. And that will help you close the sale fast. I promise you. All you have to do, because people are visual, they want to see what you are capable of. Another way is offer 3 clear packages. Okay, keep it simple. The basic package, let's say you blow to the curb and into a little pile, and you can charge $150 to $200 for that. And again, depending on the size of your property. The standard price is the full cleanup plus the bagging, and that you can go from 250 to 275, again depending on the size of the property. And the third one is everything, right? You blow out the plant beds, you clean up all the leaves, you bag it, you haul it away, leave the place spotless, and you can charge a lot more for that. And usually people will pick either the middle one or they will pick the last one. Again, depending on if you're in a location where the city will come and bag up the leaves. Okay? So guys, there are 3 simple ways that you can do 500 plus a day leaf cleanup. And again, having the proper equipment will 100% help you in how fast you can get these jobs done. But the money's out there. Get out there, go get it. Get out of your comfort zone. This is the winter time. The leaves are falling all over your city. So travel, travel, travel. Don't worry about this is not in my immediate targeted area. Go out there. Go out there to the subdivisions that have a whole bunch of trees. People need this job done. People want to keep their property nice and looking good, especially for the holidays, okay? And this is returning revenue, returning revenue. So, not to bore you anymore, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Please leave in the comment section if you have any other suggestions on how we can accomplish this task, other ways of doing it. Other than that, guys, have a blessed one. See you on the next one. Pop Smoke. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. All of that good stuff. Peace.